To start off making guacamole, first cut 5 avocados in half. Next, remove the seed and the skin. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup finely chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup diced red onion, half a cup of diced tomatoes, and 1 finely diced jalapeno. Then squeeze in 3 limes and mix. Next, chop the avocados into cubes and add into the bowl. After that, grab a fork and mash until you get the desired consistency you want. While you're mashing, add salt and garlic salt to taste. Last, serve with chips and enjoy.